What if I tell you that you can password protect your PDF file using Microsoft Office? This process is very simple, majorly for security purpose. You don't want your file to be opened by anybody except someone you give the password, and this is very simple. So first, open the file you want to password it in Microsoft using the Microsoft Word. So let's open any file on my device. So I want to open this prompt. Once you open it, and it's going to open in Microsoft Office, just like the one you see on the screen, then come to this button that says file, click on it. Once you click on it, click on save as. When you click on save as, it comes out like this. You need to get a location where you want to save this file. So let me save this file on desktop. Click on desktop or wherever you want to save it on your device, and it comes out like this. Now here's the name of the file. Now come to this save as type. Click this arrow, then click on PDF. When you click on PDF, then come to this option here. Click on this option button. When you click on this option button, you have different options here. Come to this that says encrypt document with a password. Click on it to check it like this. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, this place come out. Then provide a password you want to use into this place. Let me provide a certain password here. Then repeat the password in the space provided here. Now click on OK. Make sure that you type the same password. Click on OK. Then click on save button. Wait a few seconds for this to save on your device. Data has been saved on our device. So click to close this page. Here is the folder on my desktop. Double click on it to open it. Now once you click on it, you need to provide a password again. Make sure you get a password correctly. Click on open. Boom, guys, you've been able to passworded protect your PDF file on your device using MX Word. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.